Hello fellow survivors, this is your buddy RV Guy back again with another little quick video review. And today guys I have a Citizen Band radio find and fix. Earlier this week I was helping out a buddy of mine clear out his basement, and he was taking out a whole lot of junk. We were throwing stuff away and he threw this over in the junk pile. When I took a look at it, I said, wait a minute, don't throw that away. That's a realistic 40 channel Citizen Band transceiver, a CB radio, like a walkie-talkie one you can hold in your hand, but it's got 40 channels. And he said, oh, that thing is old, I don't think it works anymore, I can't get the battery case open. So I said, well, can I have it? He said, yeah, take it. So I took it and I said, you know, this would make a great thing for a video if I can actually get this to work again and tell the importance of what it is. Now, a CB radio, a Citizen Band radio, guys, is for short distance communication. Truckers use them, taxi people use them. You know, it's good for communication for short distances. But what's even more important, if internet goes down, let's say if it's an emergency situation, internet goes down, satellite goes down, can't use any cell phones, the only things that's going to be working is radio waves. And that's why it's good to have one of these. And this is a nice size one, guys. This will fit right in your survival bag. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good find. So let's see if we can take this thing apart and fix it. Alright, if you see right here, there's the release switch for the battery case. You slide this up, and yeah, I believe it's this one here. Now this is kind of stuck. This hasn't been... There we go. Alright. Let's put this part over here. Here's your battery case, guys. Now if you look right here, it's kind of rusty. So I'm thinking there's some corroded batteries in there. Well, let's see what we got. On this part right here, we pop it open. Okay, it came right open. And here are the batteries. Yeah, these are old rusted batteries. I don't even know who makes these batteries. Heavy duty. I don't know. But yeah, both sides are crusted. Let's see if we can get them out. Alright, there's one. Look at the condition of these batteries, guys. This is why I'm not a big fan of keeping the batteries inside your equipment. I'd say keep them in a separate thing, watertight, airtight container, and you'll always have them. Alright, look at that. Now the inside here, yeah, look at that, guys. We're going to try to clean this up with some rubbing alcohol. Alright. Check this one out. This one out. Hopefully this thing will work. And it's in a nice piece of equipment that I'll add to my survival bag. You never know when the shit's gonna hit the fan, guys. This one is not that bad. Alright. Now I've got a bottle of alcohol here. Right here. An old sock. And I've got some alcohol preps if I need to do some touch-up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the alcohol, dip it on the sock, and we're gonna get to cleaning. Wipe everything down. And why we want to use alcohol is because it's going to evaporate. It's not going to keep everything wet. It's going to evaporate the surface. It's going to clean off everything. And the surface is going to, the rest of it is going to evaporate. We don't want any moisture in here. Alright. I might have to scrape these terminals with my knife blade also, but let's see. A little better. Let's put a little bit more. Basically, I just want to get the terminals where I can get a connection, guys. That's what I want. Alright, let's try the other one. That doesn't look half bad there. Okay guys, now what I want to do is have this little carabiner multi-tool type of thing here, and it's got a saw blade, a file blade rather, on your side. And what I want to do is I just want to file so I can get some connection, just in case. Alright, all the terminals, I want to run this across and scrape it so I get some connection. Alright, let's do the same thing on the other side. Just cleaning up the terminals, just like you would do in a car battery terminals. Clean it off so you can get some connection. Okay guys, now that I've got the terminals pretty much clean where I think that they'll get some juice from the new batteries, I'm going to throw some new batteries in here. Alright, now these are some batteries I had laying around the house. They aren't the best batteries, but it's a menagerie of different ones I just put together. They're all new. If it works, I'll be putting some better batteries in it. But let's see if this works, guys. Okay, so let's take this side first, and negative this way, positive that way. All right, now this particular radio takes 8 batteries. All right, I know 8 batteries sounds like a lot, but it's not really if you think about the importance of it if you need it, right? Okay. Let's see. This one goes in there. This one goes in there. Alright. Let's throw the other ones in. Alright. Like that. Like that. Like that. And last but not least, like that. Now, this is supposed to snap back together. Just like that. And, wait a minute, it's not all the way on. There we go. Snap back together. All the batteries are inside. Terminals are clean. Let's put it back together and see what happens. Alright, let's give it a turn on. And voila, guys. Look at that, huh? I don't know if you can see it, but I'm at channel 14. Now, it's got 40 channels. Let's go to channel, I don't know, 24. Here's how you work it. You push the talk. There's a light here that lights up. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a light there in the corner. There we go. It lights up. This is the power. Let's push it to talk. This is the RV guy. Anybody out there? This is RV guy. I don't know if anybody's on that channel, guys. I'm going to have to do my research on the channels. But the good news is that it doesn't work. I mean, that it does work. So don't be so quick to throw things out, right? I got a 40 channel Citizen band receiver for absolutely nothing. And all it took was a little cleaning and ingenuity. And again, the importance of something like this, let me turn this down. Something like this, if radio signals go down and your, not radio signals, I'm sorry. If your internet goes down and your telephone lines are down, you don't have any landlines. Like, how many of us do we have landlines in our house anymore, guys? If radio signals go down, why do I keep saying that? If your telephone signal, your internet goes down, your satellite goes down, the only thing that you'll have is either landlines or radio signals. And this is excellent, guys. This is another addition I'm going to add to my bag. I'm glad that I did pick it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the internet and get a list of codes. And maybe I'll put that in the comments section. Of what codes are used for what codes is used for emergency rescue, police, and what codes the truckers use. And this way, anybody who has one of these little radios or any CB radio, they have a list of the channels and a list of the codes that they can use. What channel is used for what, guys. That's what I think I'm going to do. But yeah, this is a good little radio. And it works. Nice antenna. Everything works. This goes to show you guys, one man's trash is another man's treasure. This has been your buddy RV Guy. Until next time. Peace.